Love is the foundation of every strong relationship, but when a woman feels neglected, it can create a void that's hard to fill. Today, let's talk about why love, care, and respect are essential, and how they can transform your relationship. When a woman feels emotionally starved, it can lead to frustration, resentment, and even distance in the relationship. She might start questioning her worth or stop investing in the relationship altogether. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a choice. It's about showing up every day with actions that make her feel valued, appreciated, and respected. Here are 4 simple ways to show your love. 1. Show appreciation. Acknowledge the little things she does. 2. Spend quality time together. Be present and make her a priority. 3. Be affectionate. Hugs, kisses, and touch go a long way. 4. Listen to her. Show her that her thoughts and feelings matter. When you consistently show love, care, and respect, your relationship becomes stronger. She'll feel valued, secure, and deeply connected to you, and that love will come back to you tenfold. Take this as a reminder to show up for your woman. Love her, cherish her, and never let her doubt how much she means to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel at Change for Better with Dr. Bezowit for more content on love and relationships. Until next time, take care and keep loving deeply.